Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. Happy Tax Day to some of you. Today we have restocked, back in stock, these really adorable kits by Corinne LaPierre, and she is from Great Britain. And these are very, very fun to make. So this is one that I've made. We also have the birds. Hopefully you can see that clearly. And we have a nice little pin cushion, a lot prettier than most pin cushions, I would say. And a dog. I couldn't decide between the dog and cat when I was making mine. And of course, that awesome Highland cow. And then we also have this one, which is a little needle minder. Sorry, I'm pushing it right up in front of you. And then I did open up one of the cases over here just so you could see what's inside it. So you get all of the felt you need. So that is for this kit. And you get a needle, you get all of the embroidery floss you need, and then she teaches you how to do the different steps to make the different shapes, which is very handy. And then you get a full page color instruction page. And if you look closely on here, I didn't know how to do most of these stitches, so the little seed stitches and the little vine stitch, I did not know before making this. It's 100% made by hand. So it's a great travel project for you, or something maybe you could do with a younger one this summer when they're off of school, or just something to pass the time while watching TV. So that's what we have for you from the shop today. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we're coming back with more fabric tomorrow. Bye.